Hey YouTube, here I am again with an interesting piece. What we got here is a swatch. So this is a swatch. We all know Swatch is famous, or was founded in 1983, as you can see on the box here. Founded in 1983 during the so-called quartz crisis. So that's when our other favorite watches, Seiko, Citizen, they all came up with the quartz movements, which basically brought the mechanical movement manufacturers on the brink of destruction, of failure. They designed this watch as a countermeasure. So 1983, Swatch was founded. And the idea was to create plastic or watches, quartz movements with basically simple materials, plastics, to make it into a kind of consumer product. The original prices were around 50 Swiss francs. In 1985, Nicholas Hayek took over this company, and as we know today, the Swatch Corporation company is owner of a lot of luxury brands, so it's become a real powerhouse in the watch industry. This is the so-called Scuba Libre edition, which came out in 2013. So this is an old piece which I found, basically some hidden store, and they obviously still have some old stock. And we're gonna open this up today and have a look. So this is a dive watch, believe it or not. A dive watch, which obviously, God, we're gonna open this. Okay, I have to open it this way. So this is a difficult unboxing. Oh my God. Okay, there we go. Tough job. So this one had a 90 euro original price. I got it at a discount. It's an old watch, 10 years old, so nobody wants these except me. I think it's a really great idea to look into these things. They're fun. Here we have a certificate. Believe it or not, yes. We have the model number, we have the date, and 27 look, what is that? August, no, not sure what language that is. Is it French? No, I don't know. It's the other way around. So anyway, I'm not gonna claim the guarantee for this, but what we have here, a little statement to tell you, oh, this is from Italy, or indeed not from Italy, it's basically in Italian. Obviously a Swiss reference to a Swiss street, Nicholas Hayek Street in Biel, Switzerland. Cool. So we have a very simple cardboard box. We have some documentation here, instruction manual, nothing fancy. I mean, this is a very simple watch, quartz movement. And what is interesting about this watch is the color design, the color coding, the color that we have here. And this is the so-called Bumble Dive. The Bumble Dive, I like the name. It's funny. I mean, Scuba Libre is a great, real catchy kind of term for a watch line. So I mean, they are experts. They are really obviously good at marketing. That's what Swatch is famous for, to just bring out these outrageous colors, crazy designs. So it's a watch to have fun with. I mean, this is not a watch that will excel in terms of quality build or whatever. Yeah. So this is still has the sticker here. We can remove the sticker, which is usually a very satisfying thing, but with gloves not so good. Okay, so this is the face of the watch, and we just have a glass, yeah, a glass. It's not plastic, it is, yes, it's glass, it's mineral glass, and obviously a bezel, a dive bezel. I mean, this thing is rated by Swatch to 200-meter water resistance, so this is not ISO certified. So this is the 12 o'clock position. So we have unidirectional bezel, that's true. There is some play in the bezel, but it's not too bad. It is a bit, say, slippery, especially with gloves. Probably underwater would be better. But it has a nice click to it. Well, decent. The only thing maybe is that the 12 o'clock position here is not 100% identifiable, except for these 5-10 minute markings here. Cool is the little fish there. So the term Bumble Dive obviously is a reference to a bumblebee. We have black and yellow color combination with this gray metallic dial, some kind of aluminium maybe, aluminium painted, probably plastic, but it has this aluminium shine to it. Swatch, Swiss, obviously that is their selling point. This is a Swiss watch, so a fun watch with the Swiss kind of heritage. We have skeletonized our minute hands with some white and red color at the tip, and we have a seconds hand, obviously a quartz movement, seconds movement there. We have a crown, which is not a screw down crown, yeah, so you just pull it out, I guess, and you can adjust the, it doesn't have a date, I just realized, so you can adjust the time, but there's no date wheel. Okay, so this is rated to 200 meters. I wonder, is that really the case? Is anybody going to try it out? Or is it just, it's just for fun, I guess. Yeah, rubber strap has a decent feel to it. It's nice and soft. It's rubbery, yet it has some structure and is, yeah, looks sturdy, feels sturdy. Here we go. Let's see what it says on the case. Swiss made, water resistant, 20 bar. There we go. So this is really 20 bar rated. Don't know how they do it. Maybe they're just confident, or it's really just a 3 bar rating as the other watches are. So the other Swatch watches are usually 3 bar 30 meter rating. So we have drilled lugs, adjustable or exchangeable straps. I guess this could be changed. Not gonna do that. Gonna keep it on the original strap. It's vented here. That's an interesting design. No real function, I guess, but yeah, nice feature. Rubber strap. This crown, we have a battery replacement there. Haven't had to replace any so far. So is it like combination? Is it screwed in, and is it the battery, or is the battery below that? Looks like probably the battery is below that. So yeah, interesting little watch. Let's get it on the wrist. See the strap. Okay, the strap is not too long. I have an 8-inch wrist. This is what it looks like on the wrist. So actually not too bad. Quite nice, I would say. yeah, I mean, if you can't afford unboxing expensive watches all the time, this is a really nice alternative. Let's see whether I have to dim the lights, but let's just simulate this, see whether I can see any. Okay, so we can see a little bit of luminescence, or it looks like even this little fish is luminescent. This is interesting. Okay, but mainly it's the hour markers and then the hour hand that have luminescence. So very cool. If you like yellow, it's good. Maybe if you think yellow is like a bit too blingy, then it's not for you. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Thanks, bye.